It can be devastating when you put so much into raising a family, working hard, creating a home and providing for your children, to find that you are disconnected to the very people you're doing all of this for. In my years as a clinical psychologist, I have seen this happen over and over again. Parents, here are my 5 ways you can rebuild connection with your teenager. Embody a calm, open-minded and curious approach when talking to your teen. Remove the advice for now and ask questions. Show interest in their activities, their day and their friends. Notice the emotion your teen is expressing. Validate how they feel, and even if you disagree or have perspective on the situation, listen to theirs. Encourage them to talk about how they and why they feel the way they do. Take the time to understand their perspective. Problem solving as a team is a great way to bond. Choose an issue you both disagree on and brainstorm all the possible solutions. Go through the list and identify what options will work and what won't and why. Together, choose the option to try first and talk through any concerns that they may have. Develop a plan to address these concerns and discuss the impact if the plan is not followed. Help them develop their thinking brain. If a resolution can't be found through a collaborative problem-solving approach, I encourage you to talk through the pros and cons list with your team. Support them in making a call in the next step. The process is more effective than saying no or just stopping your teen outright from doing something, as it assists them to develop their decision-making skills. With your guidance, they can learn how to make safe and helpful decisions on their own. Be a role model. Regularly talk through your experiences and challenges and the skills you have used to reach an outcome. Detail the process and why your approach was taken and why it was so important. Take the steps now to teach your children to understand their emotions. Learn how to problem solve, learn how to make good decisions and really think things through. This ensures they are best prepared for adulthood, for independence and for developing empathy towards other people. Happy parenting.